Welcome to this tutorial on how to effectively search for spreadsheets in Google Drive using your PC. With the recent updates, Google Drive has made it easier than ever to locate your files quickly. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is the central hub for all your files stored in Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar interface where all your documents, folders, and spreadsheets are organized. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. On the right side of this search bar, you'll notice an advanced search icon, which looks like a small downward arrow. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu that will allow you to refine your search criteria. In the drop-down menu, you will see various options to filter your search results. Locate the section labeled Type and select Spreadsheets from the list. This step is crucial as it narrows down your search specifically to spreadsheet files, making it much easier to find what you're looking for among potentially hundreds of documents. After selecting Spreadsheets, simply hit the search button or press Enter on your keyboard. Google Drive will now display a list of all the spreadsheets that match your criteria. Take a moment to browse through these results. Once you've found the spreadsheet you want, click on it to open it directly. If you have many spreadsheets and need to locate a specific one quickly, consider using keywords related to the content or title of the spreadsheet in conjunction with the advanced search options. This method not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity by allowing you to access important files without sifting through irrelevant documents. Remember, utilizing these advanced search features can significantly streamline your workflow in Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search for spreadsheets in Google Drive on your PC using the new update features. Happy searching!